Good morning class 8. Today we will start exercise 13.2 and we will do question number 1, 2 and 3. Question number 1. Which of the following are in inverse variation? The number of the workers on a job and the time to complete the job. This is in inverse variation because if we will increase the number of workers, it will take less time to complete the job. The time taken for a journey and the distance traveled in a uniform speed. This is in direct variation because we can cover more distance in more time if the uniform speed is there. So it is direct variation. The area of cultivated land and the crop harvested. It is also in direct variation. If the area of the cultivated land will increase, then crop harvested also will increase. The time taken for a fixed journey and the speed of the vehicle. Actually, time and speed, these both are in inverse variation. It will take more time if we will decrease the speed of the vehicle for a fixed journey. So it is in inverse variation. The population of the country and the area of the land per person. This is also in inverse variation because if the population of the country will increase, then the area of the land per person will decrease. Question number 2. In a television game show, the prize money of rupees 1 lakh is to be divided equally amongst the winners. Complete the following table and find whether the prize money given to an individual winner is directly or inversely proportional to the number of the winner. First of all, we have to complete the table. Then after completing the table, we have to tell whether the table is in direct or in inverse proportion. Now what is table here? Number of winners which are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10 and 20. And prize for each winner. 1 lakh for 2 winners it is 50,000. And B3, B4, B5, B6, B7 we have to find out. We know that the prize money 1 lakh is fixed. If there is one winner, then he or she will get 1 lakh rupees. If there are 2 winners, then 50,000 will be given to each of them. 50,000 and 50,000. It will be 1 lakh. Now, if there are 4 winners, then how much money he or she will get as a prize? Same for 5, 8, 10 and 20 winners. Now, prize for 4 winners. Prize money. We can say prize money. Money I will write here. Prize money for 4 winners and that I have taken as B3. So I will divide 1 lakh by 4. It is 25,000. Similarly, prize money for 5 winners. It will be B4. I will divide 1 lakh by 5. It is 20,000. Prize money for 8 winners. B5. Divide 1 lakh by 8. It is 12,500. Now, prize money for 10 winners, it means B6, divide 1 lakh by 10, it is 10,000. And prize money for 20 winners, that will be B7, divide 1 lakh by 20, it will be 5,000. Now here, we have to check whether this money is in direct or in inverse variation. For direct, I am going to check by dividing A and B. Here I am taking A1 by B1, that is 1 by 1 lakh. And A2 B2, that is 2 by 50,000, which is coming 1 by 25,000. So A1 by B1 is not equal to A2 by B2. So it is not in direct variation. And now for inverse variation, I will find out A1, B1, A2, B2, A3, B3. Similarly, I will find out all. And A1, B1 is coming 1 into 1 lakh, 1 lakh. A2, B2, 2 into 50,000, 1 lakh. A3, B3, 4 into 25,000, 1 lakh. Similarly, you will see up to A7, B7, each and every is coming 1 lakh. It means A1, B1 is equal to A2, B2 is equal to A3, B3 and up to so on A7, B7. Means the product of both the quantities are coming same, constant. It means the prize money is inversely proportional to the number of winners. So this table is in inverse variation. Now question number 3. What is question number 3? Rahman is making a wheel using spokes. He wants to fix equal spokes in such a way that the angle between any pair of the consecutive spokes are equal. Help him by completing the following table. Now this is a table. The number of spokes and the angle between a pair of the consecutive spokes. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. He is taking the number of spokes. And the angle between a pair of the consecutive spoke is 90 degree, 60 degree. It is given to you. You have to find out B3, B4, B5. This is question as question number 2. Here a wheel is given and spokes. It means these lines. For these lines, he is using the word spokes. And for 4 spokes, each angle is of 90 degree. It means here it is written fix equal spokes in such a way that the angle between any pair of the consecutive spokes. It means if we will take these 2 consecutive spokes and this consecutive spoke and the angle in between them, it must be same. And here it is 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree and 90 degree. Similarly, if there are 6, then I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the angle between them is 60 degree. Here 60 degree, 60 degree and same 60 degree in each. Here for 8, for 10, for 12. We have to find out. Now here A1 into B1. 4 into 90 degree is equal to 360 degree. A2 into B2, 6 into 60 degree is equal to 360 degree. Actually here, what is fixed? A wheel is like a circle and he is using spokes. If we will take 8 spokes and then we have to find the angle between the 2 consecutive spokes. So what is fixed here? Actually, the complete angle is fixed here, that is 360 degree. It will not change. So for finding the value of B3, we will divide 360 degree by 8. It is coming 45 degree. For finding value of B4, we will divide 360 degree by 10. That is 36 degree. And for B5, we are dividing 360 degree by 12. This is 30 degree. Now, we have completed the table. It means you can write 45 degree, 36 degree and 30 degree here. First part, add the number of spokes and the given the angle formed between the pair of the consecutive spokes in inverse variation, in inverse proportion. For that we will check. We will do A1 B1, A2 B2, A3 B3, A4 B4, A5 B5. By putting the values here, we can find. And after putting the values, we are finding A1 B1, A2 B2, A3 B3, A4 B4 and A5 B5 all are coming equal. So we can say yes in inverse variation or proportion. Now for the second part, calculate the angle between the pair of a consecutive spokes on the wheel with 15 spokes. So I will divide 360 degree by 15. It is 24 degree. And for the third part, what is how many spokes would be needed if the angle between a pair of the consecutive spokes is 40 degree. For this I will divide 360 degree by 40 degree. That is coming 9. So answer is 9 spokes would be needed if the angle between a pair of consecutive spokes is 40 degree. Now today you will do question number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise 13.1 in your 13.2 in your fair notebook.